We've completed all the safety checks around the boat, been shopping, got some provision in for 2 to 3 days, and we're ready to go as soon as this weather front moves through, and we've got then a good run over to Dartmouth. We locked out of Sovereign Harbour at Eastbourne at 01:30, clawed our way around Beachy Head against the last of the flood tide, and then picked up a good line heading towards the Isle of Wight, only to find that the wind died, and as you can hear at the moment, we're motor sailing. We're making at best only about 4.5 knots. So it's slow progress, and just hoping that the wind is going to fill in later this morning towards lunchtime, and then we'll pick up a favourable tide again this afternoon. Meanwhile, nothing to complain about. It's a good day, visibility is fine, and what's not to like? So at around 01:30 this morning, we have a problem. The engine warning lights came on and an alarm sounded showing high charging rate. The engine was immediately switched off and allowed to cool. We were motor sailing and continued to try to sail forwards against the flooding tide, not making much progress. But after around about 60 minutes, restarted the engine, and you can probably hear it now running slowly at about 1200 RPM, just to maintain forward motion whilst we monitor all of the levels and make a decision about whether we continue towards our destination port of Dartmouth or whether we need to divert. We're now some 13 nautical miles from our destination at Dartmouth. We did get the wind, fortunately, and are now sailing along very nicely. The wind has gone around to the north, and we're getting something around about 6 knots in this strengthening breeze that we've got, around 14-15 knots of wind at the present time. So again, fingers crossed that we're going to be able to sail all the way to the entrance to the River Dart.